Welcome to Pod RC.
So, the HyperGo 16207, so I charged the battery 3 times and it starts making a funny noise. So, I think it's in the gears, but just look at this. You have to strip the whole cars behind just to get to the gears. You have to take the wheelie bar off, you have to take the wing off. So just have to open it and see what's making that noise. Oh, is the drive gear stripped? I think I have one of those from one of the Temu cars. Yeah. Just look at that. That thing is totaled. Everything else still looks good. That gear there is just totaled. So you can just lift it up and then it should slide off. Just look at that. It's got a screw inside it. I'm gonna see if I can't fit one of those AliExpress parts in here. These are the parts that comes with the JJRC from AliExpress. Just have a smaller bearing on it. This is the bearing. This one comes off the HyperGo. So that bearing fits on there. And then this goes through there. Like so. But you need a bearing on the back so it can rest on it. And that's not gonna fit there. This is the HyperGo gear. And this is the AliExpress gear, JJRC. This one is a bit smaller, but I can modify this bracket so it comes closer to the spur gear. Just have to get that. Just have to get that gear in there. So that's the same shaft thickness, but the shaft is too short. That's not gonna mesh there. I have to modify that bracket. I can't put this in, this is just bad quality. So you need to use the black zone drive shaft because it's a bit longer. You can't use these JJRC diffs because they're just too big for the casing. I've ground the casing before on the black zone, but I'm not gonna do it on the HyperGo. Not yet. It'll work, just have to go back a bit. I can just take a mil off of that. This can't move back or forward. That'll work. Just have to grind it off a bit. Just grind that off a bit. See if it fits now. So I installed a 17 tooth pinion on here because this one is smaller. The spur. This is the metal one from the Hypergo originally. That drive gear of the diff just snapped off, stripped, and then put in the JJRC metal spur in here and a drive gear in there. It's a bit short now. I took off too much, but it will give us a bash for now, and it's gonna be way faster because of the smaller spur and the bigger pinion. It had a 14 on it. I installed a 17. So subscribe to check out the next video to see how fast does it go with this bigger pinion on it. So let's just see the reaction we have. Oh my word. It's gonna explode. This is with the standard battery and with the 17 pinion and the 46 spur. Please.
46.
I think it can go faster. Should go faster.
0.
Amp rating on the battery is too low.
Rock.
46. This is with the 40C 3 cell. Let's see what it does. And the 17 pinion and a 46 spur. If you get the 0 on it.
55. 55.
Give it another one. Wait, still on 55. I think that's what we're gonna get with a 17 pinion and a 46 spur. Just look at that GoPro clip. It just fits in there perfectly. Exercise.
I'm tired.
So don't give up.
Really wants the blue one.
Which one?